Hi, and welcome to HardReset.info channel, and now I will show you how to clean the USB charging port on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE using home remedies. But first, remember one rule: never clean the port with metal objects. The best tool to clean the port at home is a common toothbrush. In my case, I will use a common toothbrush, and I advise you to use a toothbrush that you no longer use, so as not to violate the rules of personal hygiene. As we can see in my charging port, I have a piece of paper. Now we will use a toothbrush to take it out. Okay, so we need to just take one end of toothbrush on charging port and gently pry out a piece of paper from my device. Okay, just try to put one part to charging port and try to pry out. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and goodbye. See you soon again.